Okay, so this is the Knauf uh, BAT insulation. This is R-13 for basically 2x4 walls. This is an exterior wall. Exterior walls need to have insulation in it. So this, I wanted to try the Knauf insulation because I was like, damn, that's a new insulation. Let me try that. And usually I would get the pink insulation. What I did like about this insulation is I didn't get the it felt like the glass needles are in your skin. So there's definitely a difference in when you're installing it. You don't feel, I guess, it's the same level of glass, I guess, needles, glass fibers in your skin. I guess I don't know. But I also like this insulation. It caught my eye because it was brown, the color, and this is supposed to be. It has ecos technology. So it's supposed to use some kind of plant-based chemistry. It's formaldehyde free, so that's a positive, right? And yeah, so Knauf R-13 faced insulation. I typically don't like using staples, but some people use staples. They use the staple here or staple to the inside. I don't like using staples because if I gotta move it at a later date, I can just easily move it and put it back. So, but I did like this Knauf installation. Thumbs up. Knauf.